Hi everyone. In this video you will learn how to get the count of characters in an input box using JavaScript. As you can see, I got an input element here and a button. At the top, I'll get the count. Let me enter some random string here. And now when I will click on this click me button, it will give me the number of characters that are present in this string. So let's click on it. So there are 12 characters. Let's change it. Now click again. Now there are 10. So this is what we are going to build in this tutorial. So let's get started. I'm using VS Code as my code editor. Let's create an index file here. Let's have a basic HTML structure. Add a link to the style sheet. It will be style.css. Add a script file at the bottom. It will be script.js. Here we need a div element and a h1 element. Initially the value will be 0. Also we need one input element. Type will be text. Also we'll use a placeholder attribute here. It will be type here. At the bottom we need a button. Text will be click me. Save it. Now let's get a style sheet here. Style.css. Select the body element. Background color will be brown. Select the div element. Display will be flex. Flex direction will be column. Align items will be center. Gap will be 10 pixels. Select the h1 element. Font size will be 50 pixels. Margin will be 0 and color will be white. Select the input element. Font size will be 20 pixels. Padding will be 10 pixels. Width will be around 300 pixels. Outline will be none. Select the button element. Font size will be 20 pixels. Padding will be 10 pixels. And width will be around 200 pixels. Save it. Let's open this file in the browser to see the output. And that's the output. Now let's work on the script file. Create a script.js here. Select all the elements one by one. And we'll select them by the tag. In this case, it will be h1. Copy and paste it 2 times. Here it will be input element. Here it will be button. Also change it here. Make it input and make it btn. Add a click event listener to the button. This will be the handler function. Now the first step is to get the value of the input element. So let's create a variable here, value, and we'll use the value property of the input element to get the value from it. Now to know the number of characters that this value contains, we need to make use of the length property. So let's create a variable here, count, and utilize the length property like this. Now we have to display this count in the heading element. For that, we'll use the text content property here and set it equal to count. That's all what you need. Now just save it, go to browser. Now let's enter some random string. For example, this one. Click on click me and it contains 11 characters. Let's verify this again. As you can see, it contains 6 characters only. Click on click me and we are getting 6 here. So I hope you understood how to get the count of characters in an input box using JavaScript. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.